Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today I'm going to be unboxing the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's grab a razor blade and get this box open. So here is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's sealed and looks awesome. On the front there's just a picture of the back of the phone, and then on the sides it just says iPhone, and the Apple logo on the top and the bottom. Then on the back you have the 256GB along with all the serial numbers and all that good stuff, but let's just open this up. And then we can lift this out like this. And here is the new iPhone, but first let's check what else is in here. So we have a different size cutout for the Design by Apple thing, and it looks like we have tips, we have a SIM card ejector, terms of services, and 2 Apple stickers. So let's put that back. And we have the Lightning headphones. Hopefully next year they'll go with USB-C. And then we have a USB-C to Lightning adapter, which is pretty interesting. Along with the 18-watt charger, which is way faster than the 5-watt they were giving out last year. But anyway, let's put everything back together and let's check out the phone. So this year they don't have anything on the back, probably because it's a matte back, but they do still have something on the front, so let's peel that off. And try to power it on. Okay. This is taking a lot longer than I thought. There we go. So here's the phone in its glossy finish. It's funny that it's silver instead of white. Still no headset jack. And the lonely antenna on the top. Okay, so the phone's powered on. Let's just skip through this. I'll set this all up later. Something I find interesting is that they teach you how to use the phone, yet they just leave an image up here. It's kind of strange. I'm pretty sure they normally play a video, but either way, now we're into the phone. So let's check out that camera. Okay, so the wide angle doesn't work. Let's turn it sideways. Okay, so the wide angle still isn't showing. I guess you have to do it manually. Maybe we're too close. I don't know. Either way, that's kind of interesting. It doesn't stitch how they made it seem, but whatever. Here is the stovetop. I mean the cameras. There's still a microphone here, which I kind of wish they put it in the middle, but whatever. And like I said, no headset jack. Kind of weird. But let's put this back in the box, and now I'm going to review this phone. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or on Twitter at MattofRDBR, and feel free to follow me on the social media listed above. Subscribe to my channel so you can see the review video for this phone, along with other unboxing and repair videos. And hit that bell button so then YouTube actually reminds you when that video does come out. Thanks for watching.